Welcome to our guide on starting an online hobby class business. Today, we'll explore essential resources to help you launch and grow your venture. First, let's dive into some must-read books. Starting an Online Business All-in-One for Dummies offers a comprehensive guide on marketing, financing, and operations. For a step-by-step approach to creating and selling online courses, check out The Online Learning Blueprint by Chris Hurst. It's packed with practical advice. Podcasts are another great resource. The Online Course Coach provides tips and strategies from successful entrepreneurs in the online course industry. If you're looking for marketing insights, the Art of Paid Traffic podcast features interviews with industry experts on effective advertising strategies. YouTube videos can also be incredibly helpful. How to Start an Online Business by Shopify offers a step-by-step guide on marketing, product development, and financing. For a deeper dive into online education trends, watch The Future of Online Education by TED. It covers industry challenges and opportunities. Finally, explore online courses like Starting an Online Business by Shopify. These courses provide comprehensive guides on marketing, product development, and financing. Good luck!